Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Grokinu token. Now there's been a lot of Grok tokens come out. There's been a lot of Inu tokens come out. There might even have been some Grokinu tokens with similar names come out in the past. But this token, the Grokinu token, is getting a brand new central exchange listing coming very soon. We're going to go over the information on this Grokinu token right here and their new central exchange listing, all the info on it and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Grokinu token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting very soon on a central exchange called Bitmart. It was just announced on Bitmart's Twitter, at Bitmart Exchange. That's where you could find their Twitter. It says, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Grokinu soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So follow Bitmart's Twitter. Also give this Twitter right here a follow for more updates and information about new listings. It says, at Real Grokinu BSC. And as you could tell, that this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So you could get this token off PancakeSwap most likely, or maybe other places. We're going to go over that too in a second. But if you want to get this token off Bitmart, just follow the socials. When it gets listed, if you don't have an account, just download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search Grokinu, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. So they also have a Telegram. You can follow at Grokinu_portal. It says Grokinu, the last Inu 2023, we are real, Binance Smart Chain, and they have 2,476 Telegram subscribers. So go check that out there. Their Twitter right here has a link to their Telegram. It also has a link to their webpage, as you can see there. 1,565 followers on the Twitter, 62 tweets so far. It says the last chance, grow your bags up in 2023 with memes. I'm reading, what it says here, and it kind of seems like this is translated, so keep that in mind, that the grammar might be slightly off. And yeah, so it says, congratulations Grokinu on their successful launch. We would like to express our sincere thanks to our strong trust and support from the community. Grokinu achieved 4,000 holders in less than 24 hours since their launch. And that is a tweet from just 24 hours ago. So it looks like this token is already available. And it says, they have their BSC scan here. And let me just open that up here, see what it says. So they have their BSC scan there. And they got some other tweets here talking about, we're probably where, they have a DEX tools chart, it looks like, as well, that you could check out. So yeah, there's their DEX tools right there. On their webpage too, their webpage is right up here. You can find a full white paper as well. Now the cool thing about DEX tools is you can review audits on there. And you can see if there's any security warnings on here. So it looks like it is on PancakeSwap, because on DEX Tools, it says they have a PancakeSwap V2 pool. It got $189,840 of locked liquidity. Their market cap right now is $935,000. They have 4,130 holders. 24-hour trading volume is $835,000. So you could get this token by funding your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancake Swap, and then trading your BSC for the Grokinu token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, grokinucoin.vip. They even have a how to buy section on their webpage in case you didn't understand what I just said. So welcome to Grokinu, the combination of meme coin and AI. Grokinu is the perfect combo of the two trends, Elon Musk's Grok AI and Shiba Inu. So the combination will be pervasive and is expected to be a future trend in the cryptocurrency sector. Combining tech and a trend worldwide, we believe Grokinu will become the fastest growing meme of all time. They did do very well in their first 24 hours. Now let's skip past this big story here. So they have a vision and mission. They have a team section. Let's go down to the roadmap and see if there's any utility here. So phase 1, it says, is going to be build the website, build socials like the Telegram and the X, build their dApp. So it looks like they have a dApp, and Grokinu NFTs. So NFTs as well. Audit the smart contract, pre-sale on Pink Sale, and post-launch marketing. And then it says phase 2 and 3 coming soon. So basically the only utility for this meme token is their dApp that they're building and NFTs. So it says, why should you join the Grokinu community? Security, massive marketing campaign, new meme trend, and large ecological system. So it says, we will launch many products to increase Grokinu's tokens, serve the community, and optimize profits. Some notable products that will be launched in the near future is going to be the token, obviously, the NFT, and the swap. So the swap is going to be like the app is that they were talking about. So you'll be able to swap tokens, and you'll be able to acquire some cool Grokinu NFTs if you like. Now, let's get to the important stuff here. I just looked at their audit. So on DEX Tools, they have a quick intel, token sniffer, and Go Plus security audit. It does say buy and sell tax is 6%. So you'll have to set your slippage around 6% if you do buy or sell this token off of Pancake Swap. Bitmart has their own fees, which is probably going to be less than that, but depends if you like central exchanges or decentralized exchanges or whatever you like, right? So there is some warnings here on their quick audit. Go Plus, Token Sniffer, and Quick Intel all say that tax is modifiable. Quick Intel says you can pause transfers and the other two don't. So depending on how high they can modify the tax, that can be sketchy. Quick Intel says there's whitelist, and so does Go Plus, but Token Sniffer says no. And Quick Intel also says other risks. So there is a bunch of risks. These are all quick audits and not full audits, so keep that in mind. But yeah, let me know. I'm not a financial advisor. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Grokinu? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the referral codes, and y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.